LILYGO just sent me some brand new devices. We're going to be looking at the new T Echo Card and the T-Deck Max today. Now, the device that I'm most interested in, and the one we're going to be unboxing first, is the T Echo Card. Then after that, we'll be unboxing the new T-Deck Max. Now, the LILYGO T Echo Card is a compact card style wireless device packed with a lot of features. It runs on the NRF 5280 chip with Bluetooth 5, NFC, Thread, Zigbee, Bluetooth Mesh, and ANT support. For a long-range communication, it uses a SX1262 LoRa transceiver, covering 400 to 520 MHz and 830 to 945 MHz. It has a small 0.42 OLED screen with a 72 by 40 pixel resolution. For location tracking, it includes the L76K GNSS module. It also has a 9-axis motion sensor, giving it gyroscope, accelerometer, compass, and motion processing. Other built-in features include a solar panel, 800 mAh battery, magnetic USB charging, RGB LED, speaker, microphone, and a NFC area. It is also IP66 waterproof, making it useful for outdoor projects, LoRa experiments, GPS tracking, and low-powered wireless builds. So in short, the T Echo Card is like a small waterproof LoRa and Bluetooth card with GPS, solar charging, motion tracking, audio, NFC, and OLED screen all built into one. Now, after looking at the specs, you know that this would make an amazing Meshtastic gadget. I hope in the future Meshtastic picks this gadget. I love that it has a built-in solar panel. Now, I feel like LILYGO is going directly at the SenseCAP. So, if you don't know, it looks just like it, and it just has way more features packed in than the SenseCAP does. So, it seems like they took everything the SenseCAP had and just like made it better, and they added some more features like solar power. It's going to be very interesting to see what the community comes up with once this device gets released into the wild. But what do you think? Do you think that this would make a good Meshtastic gadget? What other projects do you think that this device would be good for? Now, we're going to be unboxing the T-Deck Max. Now, it's going to be funny, when you watch me unbox this, I thought that I got trolled by LILYGO. I'm serious when I say this. When I opened it, it looks just like a T-Deck Pro. It even has all the labels of a T-Deck Pro on it. So I thought like this was some kind of mistake or kind of like a joke or something. But when I like looked at the top of the device, I realized that it's actually different. It actually has a antenna spot now where you can put this T antenna on it. So there is antenna, and I had to reach out to LILYGO, and they actually emailed me back to explain that there's more to it than just the antenna add-on to this device. Now I want to go over some of the big differences between the T-Deck Pro and the T-Deck Max. Now, in short, it's just a more complete version than the Pro. The Max has a 4G and dedicated audio on the same board before you have to pick between the two. The Max uses a ES8311 audio chip. The Max has a slightly bigger battery. This one is 1500 milliamp hours. Max adds a XL9555IO expansion chip. Max also adds a software-controlled internal-external LoRa antenna switching. The Max also includes a DRV2605 vibration motor driver. Now, the T-Deck Pro Max is the better hardware revision if you wanted the most complete version for your experimenting. It gives you more onboard options without needing to pick between the 4G version and the audio version. For Meshtastic, LoRa experiments, portable messaging, GPS projects, and future firmware development, the Max has more flexibility. Now, let me know what you think about these two devices in the comment section. Which one are you most excited for? Which one do you think would be the most useful? Personally, I'm most excited about that T Echo Card. I really feel like that we could use that for a lot of LoRa projects. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you want to help support the channel, consider being a channel member. It really does help me out. Now, thanks to my partnership with LILYGO, we get these devices first. And on top of that, we have a discount code. If you use code GhostStrats, it'll help you save 5% on LILYGO's website. And it also goes toward helping the channel. Now, you guys are getting first looks here, so I don't really have pricing details yet from LILYGO, but when I do get it, I'll share it with you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and do me a favor, and remember that safety is an illusion.